Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Damilola, and on this video I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to type documents faster and easier. This tool will really help you if you're asked to write an essay, an article, a project, or anything, or even a minute. And this video is a typist, secretary, clerk, an office worker who has a lot of documents to type, a student who's almost past deadline to submit an assignment or project, or a student who can keep up with the lecturer's dictation but needs to jot note down, or pretty much everyone who at some point will need to write a document. So this video will really help you to do that in the fastest way. All you need is your laptop. If you don't have a laptop, you can do this on your Android phone or your iPhone. And on these devices, you're going to be needing Google Chrome browser or Google Docs. Let's get to work. Now head to your Google Chrome browser on your laptop. Click on the search bar, then type in docs, docs dot new. Click on enter. This doesn't consume much data, so feel free to use it. It's going to create a full document just like you have on the Microsoft Office. So we have the font size, bold, italic, underline, text color, just like you have on the Microsoft Word. So now to rename the document, just click on it. Let's rename it. Let's call it text. Click on enter. So that's going to save. So now what we basically want to do is use voice typing. So we are not going to be typing with our hands, we'll be typing just by saying the words. So head to tools here, then click on voice typing. Now the language selected is English, so this can be done only in English, German, and 2 other languages or 3, but English is what we want to use here. Just click on the microphone here, large microphone, you see click to speak. Click on it. Now you can just type by speaking or saying the words you want to type. See? So the speed depends on your network. If you are using 4G, it's going to be really fast. I'm on 3G, the network is bad, but it's easy. You don't have to type, you don't have to press anything, just speak and it's going to type for you. One thing about this is you can add punctuations too by talking. For example, I can say full stop. See that? Full stop. Period. Period and full stop, they are the same. Period. Exclamation mark. Question mark. New paragraph. New paragraph. So it's very easy. Just click the button to stop. So like I said, this tool is very useful if you have to write an essay or an article and you are given a word count, like they say maybe 1000 words, 500 words. Just click on tools here, word count. It's going to count the words in the document for you. Now we have how many pages? Just one page. The words, we have 30 words, 155 characters. These characters include spaces, the spaces in between each word. Then the characters without space is 124, and we count it to see that it is accurate. We have 30 words. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27, 28, 29, 30. Can you see? So this tool is very useful when you are to write an essay, an article, and you are given a word count. So you don't need to start counting it all by yourself. Just type and let the software do the counting for you. You don't even need to type with your hands because it's very tiring sometimes to type. So you can just speak and let your software type for you. So that's all you need, and this doesn't consume much data, so it's very easy. One more thing I'm going to show you about this tool is that it saves your documents online. So look, for instance, you went for an interview or impromptu interview, or maybe you forgot your CV and you typed your CV using this software. You can just log into your account, your Google account. Just click on google.docs.google.com, log into your Gmail account, then you see the document you've typed. You'll be able to print it out anywhere you are or all over the world. So that's one thing interesting about this tool. So now I'm going to teach you how you can do this on your mobile phone or Android phone. On your Android phone, head over to Google Play Store. Now we're going to look for Google Docs, just like I said, Google Docs. Yeah, you are going to download this application. I've downloaded it already. So all you need to do is download the Google Docs. Now head over to the application, open application. This is what I said the other time, that this application saves your documents in cloud. It saves it on the internet. So this was the document I created the other time on my laptop. Now it is saved there. Now I can access it anywhere all over the world. I don't need to carry the hardcover around or carry my laptop around. I could just access it here just by signing into my Google account. I'll have access to my documents. Now we are going to create a new document. Just click the plus sign here at the left bottom right of your screen, the plus sign. Click new document. Now from here we can't see the voice typing on the sidebar, but here's how you access it. On our keyboard I'm going to see a microphone sign at the left bottom where we have the comma. So here I'll just have to long press. Although there could be mistakes with this app because it's very hard. It will be very hard for the application to recognize your speech depending on your accent. But imagine if this application can type most of the words correctly for you. All you just need to do is read through and review, then correct the mistakes. That saves more stress than you typing everything from the beginning to the end. So I hope this video helps you. And for Apple users too, it's just the same way. Go to this your keyboard, find the microphone symbol, click on it and start speaking. But if you can't find this option on your keyboard, is either you download Google Keyboard or Swift Keyboard. But most of the time it's just because of your setting. Just head over to your setting, go down to languages and input, languages and input text to speech. Then you just click any of the two, whether Google text to speech or the ones that comes along with your phone. But most of the time I prefer Google text to speech engine. So that's just what. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and comment. And on my next video I'll be teaching you how to create a video just like this using Microsoft PowerPoint. That's just all you need, and it is very easy. Just subscribe to my video and you'll see it.